At the Shift Chiropractic, we offer a different lens to view your life and health potential. The better we feel, the better we can think, work, and take care of our loved ones. The current medical paradigm focuses mostly on treating the sick through bandaging their symptoms. At the Shift, we focus on healing at the core level by assisting your body to repair and recover quickly and continuously. We all experience constant stress from repetitive posture, movements, injuries, and mental stress. Chiropractic helps offset the effects of that stress and allows your body to unwind and restart stronger and better the next day by optimizing how you move, heal, and function. We understand that functioning and feeling your best is a process of making best choices. We provide ongoing support by guiding our clients to live the best lifestyle they can.